Okay, hi, I'm Levi's business manager at ViewSonic, and let me just walk through what we are going to have in the IC 2026.
So what are these big screens here?
This is our latest LED display. In the middle one, this one is the P.9 MIP 4K LED display, and all-in-one format. And this is the latest LED technology, and we are the very few brand that made this latest.
How big is it?
And this one is 163 inches, 4K
Nice.
resolution.
And it's very bright?
Brightness is 600 nits. It's very enough for indoor users. But we put this in three different technologies together to help the visitor to compare the difference between COB, MIP, and GOB. So let the customer understand we have the three different technologies in the offering. And the best part of the MIP technology is the visitor comes over, and when they touch and feel the temperature of the surface, MIP is almost the same with the ambient temperature because the power consumption is super low.
Super low, but it looks very bright.
Yeah, so there's a very high power efficiency that makes it reach the high brightness but a very low consumption. So
And-
there's a
so can you explain a little bit MIP and COB? What's the difference? What's the technology difference?
The COB and MIP refer to the processing of the LED diodes. So the COB stands for chip on board. MIP stands for micro LED in package. So, but I don't go too detail for the technology. But the MIP is the latest technology.
The best in the industry?
Yeah, the last technology in this industry, and it can reach, even go to 0.3 pixel pitch.
How soon? 0.3.
Probably end of this year or beginning of the next year.
Does that mean AK or what does it mean?
You can
0.3.
even you can use the 0.9 to build the AK. You just make the screen even bigger. But sometimes the smaller pixel pitch that means that if you have the already assigned the size, but this size you want to reach the higher resolution, then you probably need a smaller pixel pitch.
How is the brightness on 0.3 compared to 0.9?
Brightness,
The brightness difference?
will be the same. So we always provide the 600 nits.
The same.
LED.
Doesn't matter about the
Yeah,
dot
doesn't
pitch.
matter about the pixel pitch.
But the power consumption goes up on 0.3.
Yeah, if it at the same size. So this one is 163 inches. If that's a 0.3 and this one is 0.9, definitely 0.3 have the more LED diode in the same area, then power consumption definitely go higher.
What's the GOB compared to MIP?
GOB stands for glue on board. They're actually based on the SMD technology, but we have the epoxy coating on the surface to protect the LED diodes. So we have the anti-collision abilities. In the industry, you always see if the LED display hanging in the public space, you always see some LED diodes get hit and drop off. And that's just glue on board can protect and have the ability of anti-collision.
So what's the vibrancy, the colors, the accuracy of the colors of this technology? Is it the best in the industry?
Yeah, MIP is the best, not a color accuracy, but it's the highest contrast ratio between COB and GOB and MIP. So for if the some scenario, they really want to show the true black and want to have the very vivid color, then the IP will be irreplaceable technology to showing that.
The biggest question I guess people ask is the price. Is it much more expensive or it will actually eventually be cheaper?
It's definitely much more expensive. This is the latest and technology and the best performance among the existing technology. So the price like this, I will assume it's like a Ferrari, and the COB will be like something, something
Porsche.
like a so like a
Lamborghini, Porsche.
middle high range of the that's a price point, and GOB as a mainstream.
All right.
Yes.
Cool. And can you show a little bit more of the LED technology?
Yeah.
How you make it? How you build it?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. I'm sorry. All right. So what do we see here?
Okay. So here's our hands-on zone. What we are going to show here is that actually our wall mounting is very easy and can be attached to different material for wall, like concrete, wood, or brick. And our wall mount is very slim, so we can keep the whole installation thickness very, but the depth is very thick. So you don't need really to make the trim for the whole display. You just hang on the wall and it's done. And it's very easy to hang, just like here is a hook, and the cabinet is very light. And
how does it connect?
Just like you hook something out, put.
Need the cables also and stuff, right?
Yeah, the cable is connected to here, then it's done. And the most spatial design from us, that's a unique design, that for the conventional LED cabinet, they always have the RJ45 cable to connect with each cabinet. But ours, we replace RJ45 cable by this LVDS FFC. So they can help us to make this connection much simple. So another thing is that we can make our mainboard here. Since for the traditional one, the mainboard need to be very big, since they have at least 10 or even more RJ45J. But right now we only have this cable here, so just one cable to replace 10 or even more RJ45. So we can make the mainboard very small and put it into the.
And if you put it back,
yeah,
it just connect again.
Yeah.
Boom.
Yeah.
So easy.
It's very easy.
And so there's just many of them around?
Yeah, there's many of them to put it on, but here to show you how we replace that the RJ45 cable for this FFC.
Nice. So it means it's easy to install. What do you show here? Is this what you just talk about? This setup?
Actually, the setup is just showing that the real side of our cabinet is very clean and very flash and easily fitting in many kind of scenario, and the thickness, the installation depth is very thin, so you are not necessary to do too much decoration for this display, and can very quick done for any installation. And
what's the source? What's the engine running the content? Here you're showing, for example, AV over IP solution.
Yeah. So actually, that we have the AV over IP partner. We send the content to all of our display, not only LED display, and also there we have the commercial display. All the content comes from here. Then we have the content from the desktop at the side here.
Maybe it could be HDMI source?
Yeah, HDMI source. That's our desktop. And since it's get an HDMI signal to the AV over IP devices and split into the LED display and commercial display.
And it's rendering every tile, or there's like a processing in each one has a processing separately in every tile.
The process is actually, here is the LED controller. So the content was sent to the LED controller. The LED controller will send a signal to each cabinet. Then each cabinet to know what to show. So there's a control by controller. The last one.
And in front you have another LED display. Let's have a look right here. Perfect. What do we see here?
And this one is our foldable and mobile LED display. The model name is LVDS 138.
Sorry, let me just move this.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So foldable, you say?
Yeah. So when you stand in front of this, I think you don't see any creak. So probably if I don't fold it, nobody will find out it's foldable. But actually, it can fold like this.
Nice. And it's strong
Hinge.
system?
Yeah, this is our patent hinge. So we can make the whole cabinet will not be moved during
stable.
Stable and during the heavy duty transportation.
Even earthquake?
You will stay where it is. Since if it moves, there's a pixel misalignment issue. So that's a key. We need to make the hinge very steady.
And can I see when it's all folded out?
Folded out here, and crease.
It's gone.
It's gone.
Completely gone.
Yeah, completely.
What's the dot pitch on this one?
1.5.
All right. And so it's easy to transport around on these wheels?
So here's the wheels, and also the transport with this fly case.
This box.
Yeah, so the purpose to fold it is when you fold it, the whole transportation volume will be small, and even it can move into the elevator. So you can go to different floor. You imagine that we unpack this product just need 5 minutes to done that.
Nice.
So 5 minutes, you can get the 138 inches display. It's
1080p.
1080p. It's 1080p, and so we have Android system inside. So display is ready, and we have a very powerful 60 watts speaker, and speaker is ready, content is ready, display is ready.
You can make your keynote.
Yeah,
you can announce a new product
in 5 minutes.
That's
and
it.
Go to any floor. So if it's the panel, like the biggest one you can move in the elevator is like 85. Then even bigger one, then you are not able to move in the elevator. But this one is 138 inches. Moving into the elevator, go to any floor.
500 people watch your presentation.
Probably not 500 people, probably like 70, 80 of the crowd, since the 138 is something with that kind of scale of the crowd.
Nice. So you're really having fun with this technology, right? Must be a fun time to work on this.
Definitely, since and we are leading brand, which we already have this kind of a product for over 4 years. We are very sure we are the one to solve most of the quantity of this kind of foldable and mobile solution.
Nice, and this is really exciting to see. I wish in the future that this could potentially be mass market. It would be great if everybody can have one in the house, in a few years.
I definitely want to see that.
4K, because depends how high the ceiling is.
Yes.
But I want this in my house.
So in the house, most of the house height of the ceiling is like a 2.5 to 2.8.
It can fit inside, no?
Probably not 163. Yeah, so the mainstream size will be 136. But if you have a big house, then
I want a 0.3 Dutch 8K display on my wall.
Oh, you have the ambitious dream. That's good.
But it should be affordable. And in the next 5 years, that would be great. Maybe a company like yours will make big quantities, and the price will come down.
That's a goal as well.
Imagine every pixel, every sound. Enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices. For movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.